Emily from Lola's Cupcakes and I'm here today to show you how to cut our 2-tier wedding cake.
To begin, use a knife to remove the top tier. It should be very easy to remove. There is a board underneath the cake and you can easily lift it onto an extra plate that you have. Next, remove the plastic dowels inside the cake. These are there to support the cake so it doesn't collapse, but please remember to remove these before slicing. Next, then slice the bottom tier into 1.5-inch slices. Then continue to cut these into 1-inch slices and then place onto a plate or tray of which you want to serve the cake. Continue to do this until all the cake is gone. Now repeat with the top tier. Slice the cake vertically into 1.5-inch slices. Then continue to cut these into 1-inch slices. Continue to do this until all the cake is gone.
Here we go, this is how we cut a 2-tier wedding cake.
Celebrate with Lola's.